Okay, so we're making a video in the black light like we promised.
Look at this shirt.
That's pretty cute. Not really cute. I don't really know where I'm going with that. Wow, we have no lives. Look at that. Maybe if we go like oh my god. I don't know if you can see us right now. Pull it. Okay.
But I really want this thing. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, so if we get down the light more, we can probably see our faces. So bring the light up. There. Oh, there. I can see our faces. Oh, look. This is so weird. My lips look bright pink. You look like a Barbie. This is so weird.
I'm enjoying myself.
We're kind of tired still. This is really good. Okay, got an action there. Sexual action. So, this is kind of dark. Shut up. I love you. Okay, so this is kind of pointless now, so we're gonna go. Ciao.